Amazon has released a new feature, something similar to A Plus content module. This, I think, is gonna be very good news for Amazon seller. If I show you, here it is. If I click on the add module, it looks like this. There are two options, product showcase card and single image with text. Let's select the first one. Here you have to add the content name. Here you see 2 columns. Also you can add more. You can add up to 4 columns by clicking add the columns and then images, assin, etc. to create your product showcase card. Well, I'm going to show you the whole process step by step. The feature is named the Complementary Product Sets. So what is the new features about? Something similar to A Plus content that will appear on your listing. By using this, you can show your other products to the buyer. Now, where is the new features going to be shown? Here in the Learn More button, there is a description that appears. It says the complementary product set will be displayed under the title Shop the Brand Collection. Well, if you go to any listing, maybe it will appear here or maybe just here or somewhere in between these. But the important thing is it will take space on your listing page and it will showcase your other product to the visitors. And it is definitely going to be worth showcasing your products. Because looks here on the listing, ads, another ads, you are covered by the ads. Is distracting. Chances are someone got distracted by the ad and going to click on them, and you are going to lose the possibilities of your sale every time someone click on these ads. So you must utilize your space, take as much space as you can, push those ads on the corner. Now if you are logging into Seller Central, clicking on this start creating A Plus content, here chances are you are not going to see anything right now. Here in the and if you click A Plus Content Manager, you will end up here. Click Start Creating A Plus Content. Here you see only 3 options for now. Basic, Premium and Brand Story. But in the blank space, this is where the new 4th section will be updated. But don't worry. Interestingly, there is special URL. I will share in the description below. Go click on that. Here you see, with the help of the special URL, you can access the new features. So here is how you can utilize your new A Plus content module. Go to the link that is given in the description box, click that, you will be here. Just click add module. Now there are 2 segments, product showcase cards and single image with text. We are going to create product showcase card for now. Okay, you need to add a subheadline here. Right below, here you can add products, you can add up to 4 columns. I mentioned it before. Just click the add column button here. If you do not need to add 4 columns, you can remove them. Simply click the cross button, but you must add 2 columns. Here you have to add the headline for each column. This is the product name that will appear where the product showcase card will be shown. Headline 1, headline 2, headline 3 and headline 4. Headline for each column. Put your asins here and backup asins here in the below. You can add 3 backup asins, but backup asins are completely optional. If you want to add, add. If you don't want to add, don't add. It's up to you. Oh, and you can customize the column pushback or forward by clicking these arrows. Let's go to the image. Here, the image icon, click it. You can see 2 image options, desktop image and mobile image. Both have different pixel ratios. Resize the images and add them here. The exit ratio you must have to follow, otherwise the images will stretched out and will look weird. It is highly recommended that you add both desktop and mobile images. And the most important thing is here, image keyword or alt text. This is super important because alt text helps search engine understand the content of images, improving the website accessibility and SEO, and it helps you rank your product better. Okay, now all are added. You can preview these. Click here and here is your preview. This is for mobile and this is for desktops. Alright, if everything is done, if you are satisfied with the preview, then hit the apply assin and then hit publish. And boom! You are done for now. Amazon will review it and then publish it. It will take maybe 7 to 10 days, I guess. Okay, that's all for now. Go utilize your listing. Every time Amazon made any features, use it immediately. The sooner, the better. So, take advantage of the new features now. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Also, we have tons of other informative videos that might help level up your e-commerce strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. you can get on a same day free appointment with us. Also, we can talk to you to solve your queries. So, thanks for tuning in today. We will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.